Open the glove box. Remove the damper cord from the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and detach the glove box from the hinges. Remove the plastic tray to get a better view of the housing. Unclip the tabs on the left and top sides of the housing, then slide the housing door to the right to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. To reinstall the housing door, hook the right side into its catch, then reclip the tabs. Reinstall the plastic tray. Make sure all 4 tabs are secure in their catch. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Reinstall the damper cord. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.